Discover the fascinating world of technology with these fun and interesting facts that showcase the evolution of innovation and the wonders of human ingenuity. Let's start. Fact 1. The first computer mouse was invented in 1964 by Douglas Engelbart and was made of wood. Fact 2. The first webcam was invented in 1991 at the University of Cambridge so that scientists could check the status of their coffee pot from their desks. Fact 3. The world's first smartphone, the IBM Simon, was launched in 1993 and had a touchscreen, email, and fax capabilities. Fact 4. The first domain name ever registered was symbolics.com on March 15, 1985. Fact 5. The first hard drive, invented in 1956 by IBM, was the size of 2 refrigerators and could only store 5 megabytes of data. Fact 6. The first commercial text message was sent in 1992, and it read "Merry Christmas." Fact 7. The word robot was first used in a play called Rossum's Universal Robots by Czech writer Karel Čapek in 1920. Fact 8. The first video game was created in 1958 by physicist William Higginbotham and was a tennis game similar to Pong. Fact 9. The first 1 GB hard drive cost $40,000 in 1980, while today you can get a 1 TB hard drive for under $50. Fact 10. The first website was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 and was dedicated to information about the World Wide Web project. From the first computer mouse to the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, technology has come a long way in a relatively short time. We hope you enjoyed learning some of the fun and surprising facts about the technology we use every day. Who knows what the future holds, but one thing is for sure, technology will continue to change and shape our lives in ways we can only imagine. Thanks for watching.